Hello and welcome to this short tutorial how to use the promotion banners in the back office of Mining Planet. Where to find the promotion banners? On the left menu side you have to click on Promotion Tools and then in the submenu on Promotion Banner. Now the following site is opening and there you can choose between 5 different sizes. Choose the right size for you and then you have two possibilities. First possibility is introducing with HTML code, so you have to click on Show Code. The following pop-up is appearing. There you have now to select the entire code with your mouse and to copy it. These codes already includes your personal sponsor link. Means if anyone clicks after on the banner, he will be your direct partner. Second possibility, you can save the image on your PC and then you can place this image by drag and drop in an email, for example. After you have to select the image and to click on the link symbol. The following pop-up appears and you have just to fill in your personal sponsor link and then the image is linked directly to your Mining Planet registration page. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. Bye bye.